Hey guys, I assume that you got the basics down. ISO, f-stop, shutter speed, and you know in portraits the eyes are the most important thing. Now what? Today I will take you behind the scenes in a portrait photoshoot with my friend Rally, and I will share with you the process behind it. First is the idea. In every portrait photoshoot that I do, I start with a basic concept. It doesn't have to be something specific, just a guideline. In our case, everything starts with the season. It was beautiful and sunny fall day, so that was our concept. Fall portrait shoot. Next is how we should project our concept. With the location, the light, and of course with our model's outfits. Yes, I said outfits, because every time I shoot, I ask my model to bring at least couple of outfits. Clothes are important, and you should use them to portray the overall feel that you are going for, or to further express your model's personality. Okay, let's talk about location. I wanted to have the shoot somewhere out of the city with a lot of fall leaves and colors. I had a location in mind, so we started there. Next is the light. I wanted to take some backlit photos with some leaves as a background, to add to the feeling of a beautiful sunny fall day. We started the shoot around 4 o'clock. The first few shots were with the sitting pose, because it gives you more variety and helped your model to feel more comfortable.
I wake up feeling even smaller, even when the storm is over. Was it all in my head? Did we try hard and lost it all instead? Was it all on me?
We also tried a few standing poses in the same spot with the same light, but I include this branch as a foreground element. And this is my next tip. Every time you shoot at a location, try to find something to use as a foreground element, to make your portraits more interesting. But whatever you include, don't forget two things. First, it has to make sense, and second, it must not take the viewer eye from the main subject.
Wasting life to give our hearts and soul a peace of mind. But you just wanna drink your wine and grab the glass and let it go down. But I can't hold you any longer. I can cope 'cause you're a story.
At this point, we were happy with our photos and decided to move in another location to get a different look. When working with clients, changing locations is not possible every time, but if you can, do it. Of course, you should have something close by in mind. I didn't. Don't be like me. So we wasted some time driving around until we find our second location. Here we try different things. First is my model playing with these beautiful yellow leaves. Again, you have something in front of the camera to create interest. But in this case, it's also a prop for your model to play with. So this is my next tip. Every time you can use a prop, do it. Second thing we try is flares. We as photographers usually try to avoid them, but using them correctly create a visual interest in your photos. I took a bunch of pictures from different angles and most of them didn't work. So remember, it's important to play around a bit and accept that some of the photos will go in the bin. After we were done with the shoot, we got in the car to travel back home. Halfway through, I saw this beautiful golden light and I couldn't miss it. So we stopped the car, my model changed her outfit again to this red dress and the hat. It wasn't exactly in the spirit of the shoot because of the retro vibe, but it was a good opportunity to try something different. And this is what I want to tell you. The most important part to make your portraits more interesting is to keep experimenting and keep shooting.
On me, are you back away so far I couldn't see?
If you like the video, give it a like, or better yet, subscribe.